Europe is experiencing one of the most extreme heat waves in its modern history during the summer of 2026. And believe it or not, summer has barely begun. In Spain alone, official reports say that 327 people have died from heat-related causes since late June 2026. At the same time, France and England have shattered June temperature records, while countries like Germany have also been hit by unusually intense heat. So, what's behind this extraordinary heat wave? Meteorologists say the main culprit is a weather pattern called an omega block. It forms when a massive high-pressure system becomes stuck over a large part of Europe for days, sometimes even weeks, preventing normal weather systems from moving through.
Think of it like putting a giant lid over the continent. That high-pressure system traps hot air near the surface. As the air slowly sinks, it gets compressed, making it even hotter and drier. Meanwhile, scorching air from North Africa and the Sahara Desert keeps flowing into Europe, adding even more fuel to the heat wave. Spain has been one of the hardest hit countries, with temperatures soaring above 113 degrees Fahrenheit, or 45 degrees Celsius, in some regions. France also recorded its hottest June since weather records began. At the peak of the event, more than 100 million people across Europe were exposed to temperatures above 95 degrees Fahrenheit, or 35 degrees Celsius. But the real challenge isn't just the heat itself. Many homes across Europe don't have air conditioning because they were designed to survive freezing winters, not the kind of extreme summer heat that's becoming more common today. What's even more alarming is that all of this happened before Europe reached the hottest part of the season. July and August, typically the warmest months of the year, hadn't even started yet. That raised serious concerns that even more powerful heat waves could strike if the same weather pattern continued.
But here's an important question. Is the heat dome a new phenomenon? The answer is no. Heat domes have existed for a very long time. They're a natural part of Earth's weather system. What has changed is the environment they're forming in. A heat dome develops when a strong, high-pressure system stays locked over the same area for several days. It traps hot air close to the ground, while sinking air continues to compress and heat up. At the same time, clear skies allow the sun to beat down on the surface all day long, causing temperatures to climb even higher. If the soil is already dry because of limited rainfall, or if the area is covered with concrete, asphalt, and buildings that absorb and hold heat, the situation becomes even worse. The ground releases that stored heat after sunset, keeping temperatures uncomfortably high throughout the night. Scientists stress that climate change does not create heat domes. They're a naturally occurring weather pattern. However, a warming planet is making the heat waves associated with them more intense, longer lasting, and more frequent. And according to climate experts, that's exactly what Europe experienced during the extraordinary summer of 2026.